They say you should let your past go. So I reluctantly let it go.
Straight out of Diamond Star Production.
But is it fair to let someone go that's always supposed to be there? I don't know. To my dear Christina, I never gave you 100%, and I gave you more trouble than I gave you love. How far can we get? We'll probably never know, but it ain't your fault. Can you forgive me? To my dear Christina, I never gave you 100%, and I gave you more trouble than I gave you love. How far can we get? We'll probably never know, but it ain't your fault. Can you forgive me? It sounds good, but coming from me, it's probably doubtful to the ears of anyone that saw us back then, cause they only remember Naughty always hurting some chick, but running back to him she would like I'm the line at the finish. But to me, I'm making amends with the one that loved me most. I fall, you pick me up, wipe me off and clean the cut, building my confidence every time I saw despair. Helped me grow to a man. The courage you gave me put me from broke to repair, and I guarantee no one can do what you did. I guarantee I'll never see that loyalty again. While I moved you from innocent to a set in a sin, never kissed in the rain and watched the sunset in. I'm full of charm, but never once did I make me a prince. But all the other sluts I met got to be a princess. I took you for granted. Your heart ran it straight into the planet after I burned it like Spiral, throwing spirals on this track. But what good is it to spin my thoughts if you won't catch it? Have no proof that I love you. How can I prove that I love you? Well, for starters, if I didn't, I wouldn't go through this struggle. Wouldn't write all of this for you, rhyme all of this for you. I just feel like it's special that I'm doing all this for you. I'm doing it for us, and I'm doing it to show you that I was high-headed as a kid. I would call me boy, but I'm trying to clean the mess for a brat. Double spoil you, pick up where we left off. No bridge for crossing, catapult me back into your heart. The pain is that enormous. Extinguish the heartburn, not giving you meds. The fuck I didn't give, I'm getting now. How far can we get? We'll probably never know. My dear Christina, I never gave you 100%, and I gave you more trouble than I gave you love. How far can we get? We'll probably never know, but it ain't your fault. Can you forgive me? To my dear Christinas, not only just Christina, all you ladies that dedicate yourself to a man and he doesn't show himself rather, back to you, loyalty. You get your heart broke, you cry every night, sit in the ice cream, talk to your best friend about what's going on while he's out partying, having a good old time. It's like it's good fashion to him, he's with his boys, but something bad happened, he's calling you right away. So just know that you're really special, and you're in his heart, but we're males, so we don't know how to say we love you. We don't know how to show that we love you, because we never had men to look up to. We're only boys at this moment in time. And yes, we are boys. Yes, you do mature faster, but we do love you. To our dear Christine.
Dope bitch you ever heard.